XRP this week is critical. Hello, lovely human beings. We're going to talk approximately why this week is vital for XRP, for the crypto marketplace and for the stock marketplace, to let you know the fact. All I ask from you is that you supply me a beautiful smile to ship out the ones, proper, correct vibes. Smishity damage that like button and a lows get into it. So, as you can see, we got a whole lot of crimson here all around me, but before we get into that, Monday, so we got to begin with the weekly reminder that making an investment in crypto is risky. You can literally lose all your money to a rug pull, financial disaster, wallet hack, smart contract hack, or just a Schlitcoin going to zero. Never invest greater than you can find the money for to lose. Okie dokie proper. This week we got some key events happening, and this is one of the reasons why the marketplace has offered off a little bit. XRP has come back off to the trend line, bounced off of it on the hour chart, and now it will be exciting to look what occurs here due to the fact the S&P 500 futures have started out inside the pink as well. And something it truly is a bit concerning, right? And in case you take a look at it, truly the S&P 500, the inventory market, has erased all the profits that it made put up Trump election win. So the Trump pump at the inventory marketplace has disappeared, where in case you observe the crypto market, of course, and also you appearance specifically at XRP, we are way above, right? Wherein we have been, and even though we study Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin became round 600.00 when Trump won, and we're now at 93. Well, you take a look at it, and you are seeing people like you purchase the dip with what? And, you know, Alex says, dude, we're up like 30x during the last 12 months. How the F call are such a lot of hurting after 15% dip? I assume I realize why the reason it's because, and this was any other one, all my cash are buying and selling like Kamala is getting inaugurated in 8 days. A path, the shimmy proper? Right. Maybe we need to make that the XRP shimmy, right? So the motive why is because a variety of human beings have been over-leveraged, and because of, while the marketplace became going up so much, human beings have been making a lot of cash. They over-leveraged themselves, they went all in on leverage, didn't cross in with smaller amounts of leverage, and were given burnt when we had those promote offs. I assume specifically this one, proper. I assume while the marketplace fell down right here, after December 17th, I assume a whole lot of human beings placed their draws and their positions because of this massive sell-off that came about right here. So we're in this exciting situation wherein quite a few human beings have lost the capital. However, they may be still invested on their spots. They just do not have loads of money to install proper. Now I'm talking approximately retail, because big cash has cash. They're simply, I assume they're waiting, right? And so it's why there may be quite a few worries still within the crypto marketplace, despite the fact that the charges are nevertheless quite high, that, you know, we have to start talking about the issue that what we're doing today and talking to each other right now is we're nonetheless at 61 worry. And the stock marketplace is even greater of 61 greed, sorry. And the inventory marketplace is even, you recognize, loads extra fearful than that. At 25, 27, nearly an intense fear for the inventory marketplace. So it'll be exciting to look what happens this week. We were given the December PPI inflation records on Tuesday, December CPI inflation facts on Wednesday, retail income facts on Thursday, a Fed production industry Thursday, December housing starts off-evolve statistics on Friday. And I think there is also a process document, proper, if I keep in mind efficiently, he forgot right here, yeah. On Thursday, there may be also the preliminary jobless declare. This is happening on Thursday. So we need to take a majority of these into consideration while we're searching at this week, which may be very, very unstable. Like if this became one of the weeks in which I would, you understand, anyway, CPI weeks are very unstable, but particularly for like beginners and such things as that is every week to simply near your eyes and journey the wave of direction. You need to realize what's happening, and you may continue to look at the films and getting updates and of route, join the channel and ring the bell, but I wouldn't hate you in case you already know. Took a little bit much less time this week, as it's going to be very volatile, and I apprehend that it is tough for lots of people. So you understand it's understandable, but of course I'm going to stay obsessive with it. If you're obsessive like me, then it's okay, you can preserve to update and examine the volatility, because there may be going to be some times this week in which you want to throw your cell phone on the wall, because we would see a 5% pump like we noticed on Saturday. And then Sunday we see a pullback, and Monday we see a pullback, after which Tuesday perhaps we see a pump, after which Wednesday we see a pullback, after which Thursday we see a pump, after which Friday we see a pullback. Like this can be the week. And it is one of those weeks wherein you need to throw your phone at the wall. Just be careful, don't wreck it weekly. But it is going to be interesting to look in which the market goes, wherein XRP goes, and the resistance area if XRP does destroy down of direction is the 195 vicinity down right here in the top. Sorry, this is the aid, and the resistance location is at 272. So it is the area that I'm looking at. That turned into the nearby high right there that it touched and came back off. And this, of course, in which it were given supported 2 times right here. And so the ones are the zones that I'm going to be searching at if XRP does break the trend right here and starts coming back off. But if we are searching on the 1348 EMA, it's quite a ways away, whereas Bitcoin on the everyday chart is coming in close there. So that a bit involved me. If we're searching at the 4-hour chart right now, would the currency of the year be discounted in the 4-hour chart right now? It went from the top right here, coming back pedal to the bottom, XRP. Bear in mind, we talked about how it has usually inside the beyond few months long passed from the top to the lowest. So you recognize if that happens, meaning that XRP, excessive opportunity, crossed over the fashion line. So we'll see what takes place with that. Interestingly, XRP did avoid a loss of life golden pass type of situation, in which some weeks in the past there was a dying cross right here and it commenced coming down but then recuperated. And now we notice a golden pass right here. This is why a number of those instances you recognize indicators can give you, this would be a bearish issue, but because there may be momentum in XRP, it type of got eliminated. And now the golden cross does no longer mean that you're going to see XRP move up notably. You understand, normally I've seen each of these appear and not a lot appear after. I like a lot more the 1348 EMA and now not the 250 transferring averages that create those. You understand? All and sundry has their choice, and now and again this happens, occasionally that happens. But so you have to be careful, and you need to take into consideration that once in a while a person will promote you an indicator. There's a few YouTubers accessible. I know that they're pushing these indicators that they are created proper, essentially supplying you with indicators while something crosses over. That's what's likely happening there. And you may get it for free, not bashing on anyone's business, but it is as much as you at the quid of the day to make the choices. Even if those signs that humans are selling gives a buy sign, once in a while it works, and now and again it would not. So you have to take that into consideration as properly. Nobody genuinely is aware of even the indicators or that you already know there you have got a black swan occasion, because you've heard about these things for months to years, but you have never seen one happen. Trust me, there is one. You need to take it and run with it like everything else. You got fear that abruptly flips the marketplace. Like if this world were a buy sign proper. So if you would have sold right here on this candle proper, you'll be up 4%. Objection. If a person makes a video, well, it's up 12%, that they had to be like, hey, look, 12%. But it would not deliver a promote sign until there is a crossover yet again. So it is intricate.